In this video, I'm going to show you guys why I am showing this path for Bitcoin. And I will tell you in details what I think we can go for another shakeout for Bitcoin before going back up. I'm going to cover everything for Total 3 for the altcoins and how it's going to make sense that we're going to go back down for one more time for altcoins. And we're going to go at the same time for BTC back to this area, this white level of support most likely. And it does not have to happen. None of these are financial advice, but you guys know that a lot of the things that I cover in here has been happening. So there's a good chance that we see Bitcoin go for another shakeout before going back up. And USDT shows that I put a screenshot in our free Telegram group. So go ahead and make sure that you're going to join after this video. Watch this video and do not miss anything in this video because it's going to be important. I am expecting one more time to go another high and most likely hit this red line that I have showed you guys before, that where we have been rejecting USDT dominance, and we can still go back up, have a huge wick up to this level, and that's going to be a very good accumulation area for Bitcoin, which we can go back to this level. We're gonna probably see all the altcoins going back down to this level, even a little bit lower, down to 400 something billion dollars. And then of course, because we're gonna see altcoins are gonna bleed more than Bitcoin, Bitcoin is gonna still rise in dominance and up to 60-61%, where I have showed you guys in previous videos, where I am expecting BTC dominance to get rejected and start crashing. That would totally make sense. Everything for USDT, for altcoins, for BTC is going to show us that we're gonna bottom around $50,000 and start going higher. I cannot be bearish as long as I do not see BTC breaks below $47,000. And if we break 47 very strong down to $46,000, we can expect that 42, 43, 41, even $37,000, $38,000 would be in our cards. Okay, we have to be unbiased here. I am holding a lot of altcoins. I do not care. A lot of people think that I am against Bitcoin or anything like that, or I keep you from buying. I am holding a lot of altcoins, so do not think that I'm trying to hold you from buying anything. And it's gonna totally make sense. If you guys remember, pay attention here, we had our first all-time high around 73,700-ish for Bitcoin. Then we tried for one more time for Bitcoin, go up to this level. We started rejecting one more time. That was exactly the area I said that we can bottom around this level, and we did, right? So we had another line. We made a line from here all the way down, and you guys see that Bitcoin tried to fake out a couple of times. That's why I said by seeing only two lines like this, we cannot decide where the exact line should be. So we had to just adjust the line like this, right? But if you guys could put it back up down here, right, you guys see that how many times, I'm going to show you guys with circles, you guys see that we had many touches to this level. I'm gonna make copy and I'm gonna paste it, put it right here, another one right here. You guys see that, right? One more time around this level again. See, so that does not mean that because this line is not exactly perfect to show our highest level where the candles could be closing, and I just showed you guys right here, I can still continue having this line, and it's going to perfectly show us that how many more times we had reactions to this line. I'm going to keep putting this. Watch me showing you guys how many times we had touched these level, and there is a huge possibility that one more time BTC can go up to this level around $65,000, where I exactly called it. We can either maximum start crashing from here, or go back up to this level around $65,000 area, and which you guys saw that what exactly happened. Okay, so we can still go for another higher high for this path, and we can get that rejection again. And guys, if we break above, that's going to show a lot bullishness for BTC, right? But I am still expecting to get rejected. And if you guys remember in my previous video, I called and I showed you guys with proof that we are still having another gap around $54,000. So that totally makes sense. Even if you are buying altcoins, do not expect that we're just gonna keep going up from here just because Bitcoin has been going up from $52,000 more than $11,000. So we can still get rejected around this area and start going back down for the last shakeout for Bitcoin. You guys see that? You guys see all these green volumes I had showed you guys? Because we had this high red candle, we started going higher. And if you guys remember, I mentioned that for the volume, you guys need to treat it different than what usually means for the charts. So when you guys see a red really spike in the volume, that shows the bottom for us. So that can show us that we can start going higher. And you guys see that what happened. And in here we are seeing a lot of green ones. That shows that we can still go a little bit higher but start going back down. Refill this $54,000, even go lower to back down to $50,000 area to shake out a lot of people, because usually you guys, I hope that you're not that new to not know that usually Bitcoin and markets usually try to shake out all the people that would just get scared and just get out of their positions, and that's where usually bull run starts. So it's still around this circle area where I exactly called this $49,000. We can still go back down for another touch and start going back up, and that's gonna totally make sense for our total 3, which total 3 shows if it takes out Ethereum and Bitcoin and everything else. This is the chart for it. So you guys see that because of this sideways, we are having a lot of support, but we can still go back down to retouch this area and start going higher. So anything around this area can be a good buying opportunity. And I had someone asking me about Solana, if he should buy some Solana. I would only put money in the top 100 coins only if I have over $50,000, $50,000, because if I want to change my life with crypto, these coins on top are not gonna give me more than 2, 3, 4, 5, maximum of 6x for this cycle. So I need to wait a lot longer if I want to get 20x, maybe after 10, 12 years, 20 years, we do not know. But based on this simple math, I do not think that by just getting $1,000 worth of Bitcoin is gonna make me a millionaire, because you guys see that market cap of BTC around this $63,000 area is on $1.2 trillion. So price of Bitcoin would only double if we see this market cap doubles. And you guys see that it's not that easy for the market for each cycle to add this much money every time to Bitcoin or any altcoin. So you guys see that the higher the market cap is, the more money it needs to double, triple, quadruple your money. So because of that reason, I would not put my money, if I'm only having $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 into Solana. I would maybe put my 20%, not more than that, because this is just me. None of these are financial advice. This is just my own opinion, just because you asked in the comment section. I would not put my money, because with 1,000, if it turns to $5,000 and we get a 4x, for example, which there is no guarantee for it, I would not become rich. So I would rather go all the way down to less than almost $10 million market cap, not billions of dollars or even hundreds of $1,000,000. It's not going to change my life if I'm only putting $1,000, $2,000 into the crypto market. So that is the reason, because that's why I am a fan of smaller cap coins and not coins with billions and millions of dollars, hundreds of $1,000,000. It has to be less than $10 million for me so I can expect more ROI for me, okay? And if you guys don't know, I'm reminding you, the simple math for calculation of any price for any coin is market cap divided by circulating supply. You guys can pull out your calculators and do the same thing. This divided by this divided by this, it will give you exactly the prices, and you can simply see why USDT is $1, because this number is almost same as this number. Okay, so by calculating this, you guys can see that it's not worth it for me to put $1,000 into any of these and expect 100x for my money. That's why I have to say this. I'm sorry for the XRP fans. I'm not against you. I'm not against your coin, but I'm just here to make money. And if a coin has been going sideways and it has not given me enough return, I would not call it a good investment. It does not have to be XRP. It can be any coin. Okay, that's why you guys see that, because a lot of XRP fans are thinking that they're gonna get to $1,000, $10,000 for each XRP. That is absolutely ridiculous. With all respect, this is absolutely ridiculous that they are expecting XRP to go hundreds of trillions of dollars, even more than BTC, to get to $1,000. Okay, so let's just open our eyes and think logically here. So I am still expecting BTC to get it up here. USDT can go for another wick. That's gonna melt down a lot of altcoins, and Bitcoin is gonna probably go a lot lower, up to this level where I have mentioned the 7% can still be touched one more time and start going back down. So if you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification button. This channel is all about unbiased technical analysis and look of the market. So although I am holding a lot of altcoins, I keep reminding everyone, I would not lie to you. Whatever I see, I will tell you exactly what I see, okay? So please support the channel with your likes and hit that notification button after you subscribe. Share this video with your friends, because these are very important videos. Unfortunately, I'm not getting more than 500, 600, maximum of 1,000 views, but these videos are so valuable that we need to get hundreds of thousands of views for this, because we have a lot more people investing in crypto, and you guys see that every time I call something, most likely it will happen. But none of these are financial advice. We are humans. We do not know exactly where the market is going, but with all these puzzles that we put together, we can actually guess that what is the most probability for Bitcoin and altcoins that can happen in the soon future. Thank you for watching. Comment down below your opinion, and I will see you in the next video.